What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing the very first mod, the very first official actual mod. We've done a lot of dumb shit with the single cab, don't get me wrong, but this is the actual first mod that's come in that we're doing to the single cab today. So we've got some drop shackles that we're going to be putting on. Huge shout out before we get into it to Mcgaughys Drop Shop. So for those of you that don't know, Mcgaughys makes the lift kits for the trucks, but they also make a lot of lowering kits as well. So huge shout out to Mcgaughys for coming through, sending out some drop shackles. And this is what we're going to be putting on the truck today. So I think it's a what, like a 2-inch drop shackle?
2-inch drop shackle.
That's what it looks like. Should be a good 2 to 3 inches of drop. I mean, it's a pretty,
that's the stock one.
It's a pretty decent size.
Oh yeah.
So I mean, we should have a good 2 to 2.5 inches of drop that we're gonna be putting on the back of this thing. Once we get these done and we get the exhaust done later on this week, we will be putting the bed back on, and then we're gonna tag it, insure it, and we'll be able to drive it on the road. So I'm pretty excited to see it lowered a little bit. That was the goal from the beginning, was to lower it. Obviously this isn't a lowered truck, we're just putting some drop shackles on it, but eventually my plan is to actually lower it and, you know, do some more stuff to it. So I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get installing.
Hold on, not on it yet.
Is it spinning on the other side?
Yeah. Go ahead. Hold up.
Damn it.
Haven't tight enough.
Alright, obviously I'm going to have to get in here.
Get in there. I like when he gets in there.
God.
Oh, you're really getting in there.
Oh yeah, I wasn't kidding.
Y'all see him in there right now?
I was not kidding.
You ready?
Nope.
You want me to see if we got a 21 down there?
I don't know, try it now.
Yep, there you go.
That did not feel good.
I like using the hammer.
Now obviously we're going to have to take some weight off of this, so we're going to need to go ahead and get the jack, because it's going to fall as soon as we got to take weight off of it. That's the problem why it won't come out. There's weight on the bolt.
Alright.
Jack time. Yeah.
Oh, fuck. No, you gotta let me clamp down. Sorry.
Yeah, because we got to get this back down there. Oh, well, yeah.
We gonna make it?
I don't know.
It's going so close.
All right, hold on. Where's the bolt?
Where'd it go? Fuck, I don't know. Oh, it's on the tire behind.
Okay.
Nut. Bring the shackle that way. Just
I see it.
beautiful, beautiful. There we go. Sheesh. So here's our comparison. This is the stock shackle versus the Mcgaughys drop shackle. So we probably got a good, probably 2 to 3 inches worth of drop, I would hope. But definitely a pretty solid difference.
Oh yeah.
I don't know how much you can tell
Back here you can.
just from sitting right here. Oh, it's definitely leaning a little bit though.
I don't know if they can see that on camera or not.
Yeah, you can see it.
Okay.
It's definitely kind of
it's definitely
sitting that way.
It's definitely a...
Hey, that ass. This is some sketch shit right here.
What are y'all trying to do?
Oh, you'll see.
Okay.
Little boy girl. There he is. Oh, yeah, that was a dumb idea. Fuck.
Bottom one first.
Yeah, I tried to do the bottom one first.
Oh my God, Alex.
I guess that's what I get, right?
Ready?
Hopefully this don't kill anybody. I'm kind of scared.
Season from all the rust.
Actually, no, we need to go down on that. Actually, yeah, go up on the jack up on the axle. Actually, wait, I think I got it. It didn't scare us the first time.
Well,
We didn't know it was gonna happen.
Wait, it shoots up like that?
Yeah. Wait. Let me see something. Oh, hold up, Alex. I don't think that's helping, is it?
Oh shit! Don't scare me like that.
Sorry. It's the frame.
Now this is stuck in there.
Alex, keep your face out of the way. That's all I'm saying.
Once we get this part out, it's super easy. It's not. Maybe it's out.
Told you.
Wow.
Ah, I told you.
Last time we did this, it like flung up and like almost killed some more. That was fucking lame. I was expecting something cool to happen.
Let me see if I can go down now.
Oh, you can go down.
Way down. Oh, look at that. Hold on. Not even on the bump stops. What bump stops?
We're gonna splurge again. Well, it still needs to be able to spin, so we'll be alright.
Yeah. Alright, so let me jack it back up.
I like when it spins. What the other,
I like in the room.
she likes it wide. Somebody commented on my video and said she likes it wide, but they spelled likes L-I-C-E. So it's pronounced she likes it wide.
Oh my god.
Line it up, bow tie.
Where the hell did it go? Where's the other pin?
Oh,
at?
you fucking shot all the way over there.
Oh, why is it all the way over here?
You still got that writing on your rim?
Yeah. I need to clean my truck, yeah.
Alright.
Alright, hold on. Get in there.
Get in there, boy.
Get in there. Look, this is it. We didn't even have to
You
take
did this wrong.
God damn it. Hold on.
You guys have blocked that
I'll
out.
spin it out. No, this is all raw content. If I messed up, it's gonna be in the video.
We like it raw.
We like it raw. How do you eat your oysters?
I don't even eat oysters. Willie, do you eat oysters?
Raw.
Raw.
She likes it raw. Oh. Got one. She likes it raw. Shoo!
I'm look good.
There it is.
Oh wait, we gotta lower it.
Oh, that's right. I was gonna say it don't really look that different.
Boom!
It still don't really look that different. It still leans a little bit because the gas tank's on one side. Gas tank on one side.
Dude, this thing's stiff.
It's definitely lower though.
It's stiff. That's all she moves.
That's good. More traction.
More squat.
I wish we could take it and do some dumb shit with it, but it's way too loud right now. So like I said, our plan is to put the exhaust on probably this weekend, so then we can put the bed back
When
on.
the bed's on, that's when you're gonna notice.
Yeah, we'll definitely notice a difference once we get the bed back on. But hey, first mod installed. Armando came by the shop today to drop something off, and I want to give you guys one more look at his truck. It was getting dark last time we filmed, and even myself, I told him during the daytime in the sun, his truck looks 10 times better now than it did in the other video, and he has added a couple little small things that we're going to look at Huge shout out to Brian at Elevate Audio. Brian's always doing amazing work. Brian does a lot of the work to Armando's truck, and we're gonna showcase a couple of those things today. Brian just paint matched the tow mirrors. He did all of this custom painting on the little inserts here. I guess he left them chrome. That was a decision that they made, but he's got the, let's see, it looks like the smoked lenses on the switchbacks, and Brian just painted the tow mirrors to match. Got that beautiful maroon color. Now this isn't something that Brian just did, but they did color match the traction bars, and the traction bars during the daytime look so beautiful. I don't know if you guys could really pick up that color the last time we filmed with this truck, but the color of everything is just, this is one of my favorite colors right now, this maroon, like candy red or whatever it is. And then they also just added speakers to the back, and actually here, we'll see if we can give you guys a better look over there. But these maroon speakers are like $1,600 a piece, and Brian actually color matched the speakers and the mounting bar across the back. So again, huge shout out to Elevate Audio. If you guys are in this area and you need some work done, hit my guy up. He does amazing work. And again, huge shout out to D-Max Denali, Team Billet, coming by and showing love today after work. He's actually coming by on his way to drop. He's trying to set up a date to drop off his truck because he's getting a bigger lift and some bigger wheels, and they're completely redoing this truck. So you guys need to stay tuned for the new build that's coming on this, because it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be one of the nicer trucks in Atlanta. And I think at some point when we get this podcast going, we'll have to have my guy on the show. But he did come by to drop something off that I'll show you guys in a minute. I'm gonna take a look and see for myself first, because you know I gotta see first. I can't show you guys everything. Armando knows my special love for old beer neon signs, or even new ones, and through his job he's able to get some every now and then. And I told him, hey, if you ever get some, and you know, long story short, you know, I want them if they're up for grabs. So he stopped by the shop today. I picked this one up a couple weeks ago. This is an old Stroh's beer sign, some old crappy beer. He dropped this one off to me today, which is a Dos Equis one. This one's pretty cool because, sorry if you guys can see it, it actually kind of like, yeah, that's cool, look at that. And then we got this old Soul beer, I guess. We got this one, a Dos Equis, a little small Dos Equis. And then I've got a pineapple over there. Just something I love to have in my office here at the house. And you know, just, it's a vibe. You know, I'm all about vibes right now. And if you got good vibes, good energy, good things are gonna happen. So I appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, all that great stuff. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.